Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account on a secure desktop or laptop so the interface is stable. Make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone. Once done, verify you can receive verification codes and locate your account's security settings. Make sure to keep a backup device or printed recovery codes nearby, because when you enable two-step verification, you'll need them if your phone is lost. This step ensures a smooth, uninterrupted setup process. Now in security, click two-step verification and follow prompts to get started. Google will ask you to confirm your password again. Choose the Authenticator app option, pick your phone type, and a QR code appears. Open the Authenticator app, tap Add, and scan it. If scanning fails, choose Enter a setup key and type the secret key shown. This ensures the app and account share the same seed. Once synced, the app will display a 6-digit rotating code every 30 seconds. Finally, enter the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app back into Google to verify the connection. This confirms everything is synchronized. Once verified, Google will offer backup codes. Download or print them and store them securely, and add a secondary phone if you can. If you ever can't log in, use those backups. If codes don't work, check your phone's time synchronization settings and enable automatic date and time. Incorrect device time is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.